Japan Work Visa Process 2023, Visa Sponsorship Jobs. Hello and welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to tell you everything about the Japan Work Visa Process 2023. I will tell you where you can get visa sponsorship jobs to move to Japan. I will explain the types of Japanese work visas, the required jobs, requirements, required documents, and how to apply for these jobs. So make sure you watch the video through till the end, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to always be notified when we release new updates. Now let's begin. The Japan Work Visa is a relatively simple and fast process. To work in Japan, you will need a job offer from the Japanese employer. And there are many Japanese jobs with visa sponsorship available in many sectors. Getting a visa sponsorship job in Japan is very easy. Japan needs foreign workers because the majority of the population is old. Japan plans to admit 500,000 foreign workers by 2025. The visa will initially be issued for 5 years. People are very loving in Japan. They don't lie at all. Self-disciplined. A affordable country. In this video, I will tell you the types of Japanese work visas, jobs in Japan with visa sponsorship, and the step-by-step application process to obtain a Japanese work visa. Let's begin with the details of the Japan Work Visa Process 2023. 1. Job country, Japan. 2. Visa type, work visa. 3. Who can apply? Anyone from any country. 4. Visa sponsorship jobs, yes. 5. Passport ranking, second powerful, 190 visa-free destinations. Popular occupation includes English teacher, military personnel, engineer, service staff, IT professional, translator, banker, school teacher, English speaking, mechanics, and electrical. In Japan, teaching English and IT jobs are the most in-demand fields that offer work visa sponsorships, accommodation, and high salaries to their employees as well. Types of Japanese work visas. While there are many other visas, there are two types of Japanese work visas that are further divided into categories. The types of Japanese work visas are 1. Highly skilled professional visa. 1. Highly skilled professional, I, A, B, C. This visa allows highly skilled professionals for 5 years to stay in Japan to work on advanced academic research activities, advanced specialized or technical activities. 2. Special highly skilled professional. This visa requires a bachelor's or a master's degree, and if you have any experience in your field, you can apply for the highly skilled visa. 3. Highly skilled foreign professional. This work visa is also for one with advanced skills and experience to work in Japan. 2. Japan Working Visa. This is an ordinary work visa in Japan that has been issued to many foreign workers. This visa does not require any work experience. On this visa, you can stay for 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Stay duration. All visas are issued for a period of 1, 3, and 5 years. Processing time. You will get the response to your visa application within 5-6 working days. Visa cost. Usually the single entry visa cost around 3,000 Japanese yen, while multiple entry visa for Japan cost around 6,000 yen. You only have to pay the fee if the application is approved. Requirements for Japanese work visa. 1. You must have a job offer from a Japanese company, employer. 2. You must have a valid passport. 3. You must fill out and submit the visa application form. 4. You must submit your photograph, not older than 6 months. 5. You must get a certificate of eligibility from the Japanese employer. Required documents. 1. Passport. 2. 1 visa application form. 3. 1 photograph. 4. Certificate of eligibility. 5. Job offer letter with all details. 6. Educational documents. Submit it to your employer to get co. Depending on the nationality of the applicant, other documents may be necessary in addition to the above. For details, please refer to the website of a Japanese embassy or consulate general in your area. What is a certificate of eligibility, co? Every foreign worker needs to get a certificate of eligibility from the immigration services in Japan. Japan has its own system called ko, Certificate of eligibility. Once you get a job offer from a Japanese employer, you will need to submit your documents to the employer. He is the one who is in charge of handling the co-application on your behalf. He will get it for you. Visa sponsorships jobs in Japan for foreign applicants. In Japan, there are a lot of visa sponsorship jobs from the employer, recruitment agencies, or direct from the company. I have attached the most popular websites to find jobs in Japan. Once you open these websites, make sure to click on the Overseas Applicants, or Visa Offered, or simply type Visa Sponsorship in the search bar. Career Cross. https://www.careercross.com/n. Gaijinpot Jobs. https://jobs.gaijinpot.com/index/lang/n. YOLO Japan. https://www.yolojapan.com/n/. Raikanabe. https://jopus.net/n/jobboard/raikanabe. Mitas. https://jopus.net/n/jobboard/mitas. Dijob. https://www.dijob.com/. jobsinjapan.com. https://jobsinjapan.com/. Getting a certificate of eligibility. Applying for a Japan work visa at the Japanese embassy in your country. Helpful links for Japan work visa. 1. MOFA website. https://www.mofa.go.jp/j_info/visit/long/index.html. 2. Japan immigration website SADFACE. https://www.moj.go.jp/isa/. We hope this helped you a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel abroad opportunities.